Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be fixing the image little issue here we got. Well, it's not an issue. We're going to add the functionality of displaying images in the admin area and the index for the public area. All right. So first of all, I want to put a link here somewhere. That way we can jump in from admin to the front page, because it's kind of annoying, right? Just coming here and just deleting this and then going back to front page. So I mean, it's not a big deal, but I want to do that. All right, from the ad back, I'm gonna go to the top navigation, and over here, right below, right beside this one, I'm gonna add a link that says home, so that I copy and paste that in here. Instead of going to this index here, I want to go outside. All right, so let's go ahead, and if we type this, we go one out of the admin area, right? Because we are in the top navigation. We come out of admin one area, all right, and then we'll go to the index. All right, let's see what happens with this. So first, let's try it. All right, click home, and now it takes us back to index in the front page. Beautiful. So back and forth then. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and show the pictures here in admin first, and then we'll go to the public section. So let's go to functions and go to the line where you got your function to get product in admin. And now we have the image right here. All right. Right now at the moment, what we are displaying here, it's the name of the image, but not the path. So what we need right now is the path of the image, and we have the images in resources and then in a folder called uploads. So what we can do is we can type in this and then the same path as we got down here, go back a couple times and then say resources and then uploads. Oh, there we go. And actually, what in the world is this? There we go. Let's check it out. Enter. Oh wow, we got the images showing now, but they're huge, right? Let's actually make them a little smaller. Let's put a little attribute here for the width, and let's just make it, I was thinking about maybe 100. I think 100 is too big, depending on what resolution you're using. Actually, no, it's pretty small. It's good. 100 is good. At least we can see the image here. All right? It's up to you. You can put it whatever size you want. I just made it 100 there. All right? All right, and this one here doesn't have any image because this was one of the first products that we created in the database, so we can delete it. The next products that we create, all are going to have images now, right? So what else? We got to go to the home page here and do this too. But now before we do that, what I want to do is that I want to make a little function that will, a helper function that will have the uploads and the product image together. All right, that way we can just put a little variable here. That way every time we change the uploads or directory, we change it in one place and we can have that showing anywhere we want. All right, let me just show you exactly what I mean. Let's go up here and let's create a function, and let's call it display image. And basically we're gonna take in the image right here, right? And we just say picture, whatever, and say and return the uploads. And this is where we can change this anytime we want. That's the thing. We can come to this function, change the uploads directory, and it would change throughout our whole e-commerce site when we are using the display image function. All right, so it's pretty cool, I think, right? So we have this, and we can make it better too if we wanted to. It's a little function here just to give you an idea how we can do certain things. All right, it simplifies things a little bit. There we go. All right, so we concatenate the uploads directory with the picture. Perfect. We could actually make this a variable also. All right, so we can pass in the location through the function and then concatenate that if you wanted to. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And you can also make this a global, all right, location, and then of course you bring in the global value here, and all you got to do, like for example, you make this like this uploads, and then you'll have it here. All right, and then you can just call this inside the function here. If I can find it, that would be nice. I lost it again. Display. There we go. Let's just find it. There we go. So I can come here and say global and say uploads, right? So we can come here and say that global uploads, and then we can use it. We just concatenate it right here. So now what we do is that every time we want to change the uploads directory, we just go and change it right here on top, and it will change out through our whole applications. All right, so let's just, as a matter of fact, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I think it's pretty cool to do that, right? All right, you can change it, do whatever you want, whatever you think is appropriate. Let's go and find that display image. All right, so we're doing that. And all right, so let's go ahead and grab this function, come back here, and what I'm gonna do is right here I'm going to take in this product image and I'm gonna place it right in here. All right, and then I'm gonna say product photo or image, like that. There we go. And now we don't need these uploads here. We just replace this whole thing with that variable product image. All right, and this will be in get product in admin. So we come here. Oops, let's find out what we did wrong. Inspect. We are getting resources. Okay, we got 2 slashes there, 2 forward slashes in resource in product image right here. So let's find out that we don't. Let's come here. We got uploads. This is not displaying because it says upload directory, and that's actually the name that we need to use. Sorry about that, guys. And come back here, come back. All right, there we go. Upload directory. Make sure you got the right. There we go. Now we should have something here. Let's check it out. There we go. Beautiful, right? And then we need to actually display right here in the front page. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to the next function, which is get products. I'm just looking for it because we have a lot of functions. It's easier for me to look. There we go. And now here we can call that same function here and do the same thing to this person right here, right? Well, not person. Jeez. Let's go and find that get products in admin. Let's find the same thing here, and let's go to get product right here. There we go. Same thing we did over there. In this case, we're just gonna go like that. All right, beautiful. We just go one time to resources. That's how close we are. All right, so keep that in mind. Save it and then come back here, and now you got your images showing in your front page too. Right, beautiful. So we're good with that, and we're going to continue building on this e-commerce site with more functionality. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.